In this tutorial, I will show you gradient tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. Gradient tool is located here, which shortcut is G. You can right clicking. This is gradient tool, shortcut G. Gradient tool creates a gradual blend between colors. It blends colors gradually. So after selecting this gradient, you can see I am click and drag it. I have this gradient color blending. Here is green with red color blending here, and these are the basic gradients. Blues, if I click here, it will work as blues. If I click here, it will use this template, ready-made template color here. Okay, you can choose as you wish, as you like, you can choose them. This is orangey color. So after selecting this, you can see I am clicking here and I can easily adjust the handle of it. There is two handle and this is the middle part. You can see that when I am trying to move it, the color blending also moving with it. So this is the center point. I am also able to smaller and larger this handle. You can see this is called gradient annotator. This is also, here is a dialog box. We can adjust from the properties panel. Gradient adjust. Here is, you can see here is plus button appears. If I click here, also a new color gradient point will be appeared here. I am holding down and down under and it will be gone. You can see, you can draw new gradient line as you wish. But if you hold down shift, you can see this will create the gradient line from the last line selected. You can see that line, it will begin the line from that line. Okay, if I hold down shift. Also, if I hold down alt, it will be worked as eyedropper tool. If I click here, it will click for change this color. Okay, I am selecting here and clicking here. No, I am selecting here and clicking here. As you can see, this point has been filled with this color. Okay, also here is few method. This is mode, this is linear gradient. I want to adjust it as like it. This is radial gradient. You can see this is radial gradient. You can choose. This is angle gradient. You can see this is what like angle. Okay, this is reflected gradient. You can see it is reflected, looks like reflected. You can adjust anything you can see. And here is diamond gradient. This is diamond. It looks like diamond. If you unchecked it, it will reverse the gradient color blending. Okay, dither is if you select dither, it will some bending when you zoom this gradient, some bending may be appeared, but if you click dither, it will not be appeared. Methods are smooth. You can see now it is perceptual method. You can see I am going to linear so that you can see the color blending. This is perceptual method. You can see the bending, color blending. Now linear. You can see linear has been less blending than perceptual. Then classic, you can see red color covered most. And smooth blending is smoothly blending, will be blending smoothly. And stripe, it will work as two solid color like blending. That was also, here is few types. You can see solid in the gradient adjustment, solid. Also here is noise, and you can see here is location. This is click here, this is location. If I decrease or increase it, the location will be changed. Also here is opacity control. If you click here and decrease the opacity of this color will be decrease or increase. You can able to do this. Also this is location for this. This is the opacity control. So here is also angle. You can manage this. Okay, you can easily manage this angle from here. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like it, Please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.